Good morning, I am Siri Kammar from Standard 9th B. Today I am going to explain about water cycle. Water cycle. The main stages involved in water cycle are evaporation, respiration and transpiration, the condensation, precipitation, infiltration and surface runoff. So, we have seen how the water evaporates from the surface water and rises up in the atmosphere, and further the condensation of this water vapor leads to rain. But we don't see the drying up of seas and oceans. Then how is the water returning to the seas and oceans? This is because of the process called water cycle. Water cycle refers to the circulation of water within the Earth's hydrosphere and atmosphere in different forms, that is, solid, liquid and gaseous form. It is also known as hydrological cycle. It is an endless process. Water cycle doesn't have a starting and ending point. The sun's energy heats up the water in the water bodies, and the water in the water bodies gets converted into water vapor and rises up in the atmosphere. Some of the water vapor gets into the atmosphere due to the biological activities like transpiration and respiration. Transpiration is a process in which plants intake the water from the roots and release excess water into the atmosphere in the form of water vapor. The humans and animals release water vapor into the atmosphere during their respiration process. Then this water vapor rises up in the atmosphere and further it cools and condenses to form the tiny droplets of water. The tiny droplets join together to form the bigger droplets of water and leads to the formation of clouds through the process called condensation. Once the cloud cannot hold the water, they fall down on the earth as rain, hail or snow. This is known as precipitation. Some of the precipitated water gets into the ground and forms the groundwater. This is known as infiltration. And some other water vapor runs through the rocks and mountains and washes away the topsoil. This is known as surface runoff. This completes the water cycle. As the water runs over the rocks, it carries many of the nutrients present in the parent rock to the rivers and then to the seas, and hence the minerals are used by the marine organisms. Thank you.